Welcome to eView, where you have 30 seconds to review a product. Go.
Halls. Intense cool.
Yeah, Halls. That takes you from one bad breath to it's the transitional place from bad breath to good breath. There are two different rooms of breaths.
I'm just gonna taste it.
The breadth of this joke,
And then
because that's your play on word. I want you to
what's intense is trying to get
breath.
one Hall.
And then you have breadth.
To try to... Okay, here's my review.
Done.